Let's assemble a timber loader. You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the timber loader. Press the pump. Ready. This railroad hasn't been used for a long time. Let's clear it of fallen trees. We need to wash the timber loader. Amazing! Let's assemble the dracene. Keep up the good work. Let's load the empty bags onto the dracene. Ready. Let's remove the remaining branches from the tracks. We need to wash the dracene. Hooray! Let's assemble the minecart. That's all. Let's load the minecart. That's all. We need to repair the rails. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. Let's wash the minecart. Ready. Let's assemble a garbage car. Done! And now let's attach sticker signs to the garbage car. Ready. The railroad brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. Let's weld a crack on the garbage car. Amazing! Let's grind the welding. We did it! Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble the flat car. Done! Now let's load materials for repairment onto the flat car. You're doing really great. Let's repair the railroad station. We need to wash the flat car. Don't stop. We need to assemble the crane with cargo bed. Don't stop. Now let's load the roof onto the crane with cargo bed. Don't stop. Let's install new roof and windows. Let's weld a crack on the crane with cargo bed. Keep up the good work. And now let's grind the seam. We did it! Choose the same color as in the cloud. We did it! We need to assemble the bucket lift. Keep up the good work. And now we need to fuel the bucket lift. Pump. Hooray! Let's install the station clock. Let's wash the bucket lift. Don't stop. Let's assemble the locomotive. That's all. Let's fuel the locomotive. Press the pump. Hooray! We need to check the locomotive before the long journey. We need to wash the locomotive. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble the train. Go on. Ready. The station is working! Now wizards can go on a journey! Congratulations! We fixed the railroad and repaired the train station.